Introducing Milwaukee Radius Temporary Lights. Milwaukee Radius 70 watt and 130 watt temp lights deliver different levels of light output for your specific job site needs. The 70 watt is beneficial at lower ceiling heights, while the 130 watt is designed for larger spaces and higher ceilings. In this video, we'll focus on the 130 watt and walk through the full process of purchasing, installing, and maintaining these temp lights. Here's an example project. The electrical contractor on the left has decided to go with Metal Halide temp lighting products, while the electrical contractor on the right has opted for the Milwaukee Radius 130 watt temp lights. Traditionally, the process begins when a purchasing manager places a PO with distribution and sets up delivery. In both scenarios, the product is then received into the electrical contractor's inventory and prepared for prefabrication. On average, the prefab process takes 40% less time to configure the Milwaukee Radius product versus the Metal Halide competitors. Labor time on the left increases as more lights are prepped. Once complete, the Milwaukee Radius temp lights don't need to go through the prefab process again. They can be transferred straight to future jobs. The Metal Halide products, which are often scrapped at the end of each project, are repurchased for the next job and always require prefabrication, adding more cost and labor over time. The Milwaukee Radius 130 watt temp light delivers 50% more ground coverage installed on 18-foot ceilings. This means you need half as many Radius 130 watt lights across the job. Installation time per light is reduced as more lights fit in the lift and can be hung with included cables straight out of the box. Power consumption across the job can be reduced by up to 80% due to more efficient energy utilization. Traditional temporary lighting requires significant maintenance time, identifying issues, troubleshooting, and repairing broken bulbs. This adds up over the course of a job. Milwaukee Radius temp lights require no maintenance, allowing you to save more time and focus on other aspects of the project. Once the project is complete, lights are often scrapped and new lights are purchased for the next job, starting the process all over again. Milwaukee temp lights are specifically designed to stack on top of each other to ensure they can be repacked on a pallet and sent to the next job site, avoiding prefabrication. This is where the cost savings really begin to ramp up over time. The Milwaukee Radius temp lights can jump straight to the installation step for the next job. Over the duration of just one project, the Milwaukee Radius temp lights can save 40% of prefab labor cost, require up to 50% less lights on a job, and eliminate on-site maintenance. To learn more, please visit our temp lighting cost calculator to estimate how much time and money can be saved on your job with Milwaukee Radius temp lights.